Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks. I had somebody email me that's new to Corel, and they're setting something up for a plasma table. And when they have it set up for RGB, but every time they turn on Corel, it goes back. So, and this is true. The other one's going to be a theory, but we're going to test it. Go to Windows, Color Palettes, and have RGB selected. Okay. Now the other question you have, so this is RGB, we can tell by blue, 00255. The other question, he doesn't want the page border. I can't imagine you would not want the page border. This page is the size of my laser bed, and he's a plasma cutter, and I always turn my bed, I just change it to 48 by 48 when I'm working with plasma cutter. I have a 48 by 96, but I very seldom ever cut a full sheet. So let's just say I've changed my page, but that's not his question. He wants to turn off page border. There's no page. I mean, there might be a reason. The only reason I ever thought it could be a page, you could have something around your page and take a screenshot of your page, and then it wouldn't show up. So, but let's go to Tools, Save as Default. Make sure all these are checked and put Save. I very seldom ever make a video where I turn Corel off, but I'm going to turn Corel off. Now I'm going to go to Start Corel again. And this is like 2022. I could turn the welcome screen off, but I kind of get, I don't ever turn Corel off, very seldom. Let's go to Page and New. Okay, there's no page, and my colors are RGB. That would bug me to no end to have no page. There's my page border, and it's the size that I listed it as, which I will change as soon as the video is over. So maybe this is going to help both of his questions. Now, every time, and I can't imagine opening up Corel, and I'm sorry, I'd like an explanation. I'm not doubting you. I just can't fathom why. But that should solve your problem right there is, when you go to save, let's back up. Let me change my bed size back. I do some plasma cutting, but I easily change it beforehand. I do a lot more laser engraving. So let me make sure I've got everything set up. I'm going to bring in my rulers. I'm going to make sure Snap to page is on. I want my duplicate distance at 0, I want my nudge at 0.00. I want my pen color to be red with no fill. And then I'm going to go to Tools, Save as Default, make sure everything is checked. Let's shut this down. And that's my recording screen. Let's start Corel back. I don't ever turn Corel off. Go File, New. My colors are still RGB, and my page size is there and visible. I hope that I understand, and if he explains to me why he doesn't want a page to be seen, I'll let you know.